3, 2. Okay, yeah, 1. On top me, on top me, on top me. Kill this, kill this, kill this. Okay, come back now, come back now. Watch out, come back, come back. Don't take kill. Just come back. Stay here, stay here. It's fine.
What's the
It's fine.
8.3?
Just
What
spread
level
over
is
here.
it?
Get ready. Defensive. Now try to stop them. Try to stop them.
That's fake.
Okay. Just stay here. Don't go inside. Don't go inside. Get ready. I'm gonna shallow again on the D tank after the night armor. In 3, in 2, in 1. On top me. Kill this. No damage. Okay. Yeah. Qs and Ws on this D tank, bro. Qs and Ws on this D tank. Qs and Ws.
I don't have G, guys.
It's fine. You don't extend. We're not extending. They're gonna look shallows as well. Okay. They can't dive in. Qs and Ws.
Gotta put names on, bro. It's crazy.
I can't even pronounce my name.
Ready, engage, ready.
Yeah, it's fine. Just stay here. Sweetie first. One of them takes turn.
Is anyone else
Yo,
lagging?
watch out. That's an engage. Yeah, just Qs and Ws on this
You can
carving.
walk in.
Yeah. Yo, get ready.
Hijack
Just
this-
D tank.
hijack this-
Yeah, there's one D tank inside us. In 3, in 2, in 1. On top me. Kill this. More damage, bro. What the hell, bro? Kill this. Okay, nice. Now watch out. Spread away again. And that's all we're gonna do. Just spread away. We're gonna even out our numbers. Then we're gonna engage.
Yo,
Stay
what
here,
is the
stay here,
8.3 bomb? What is it?
Karma. Hero killer. Karma ready? Kingmaker. Yeah.
Okay, stay here. Just stay, bro. Just stay. Very soon I'm gonna look northeast over the wall. Okay, if I see some. Stay here.
They are looking over the wall as well.
Okay, watch out. They're gonna look on Farisha. If you have cleric outs and defenses only, then only extend. Okay, Farisha and D-tanks.
Oh.
Okay, get ready. I'm gonna look northeast. On this one gloves. Now just hold. Stay spread.
Don't
You
pull
watch
people
out. They're gonna
to
look. That's an engage.
Oh.
Defensive. Try to stop people. Get ready on this carving. In 3, on top me. 2, in 1. On top me. Just on top me. Now come back and spread. Just come back and spread. We can't go in, bro. We have to do shallows. Hellbank. Yeah, Hellbank.
Go in
East.
after he does a real engage.
Yeah.
The thing is, by the time we go in, they'll have engage again. They have so many
No,
stops.
not if you drop guard runes and get through.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, then guard runes you have to watch out, okay? Get ready, they're gonna look now. Just
He
stay,
engages,
stay,
drop
stay.
guard runes on the choke and get through. And then engage.
Big follow
Get ready
ratio.
to engage on the east exit because
Get
that's
ready.
where they're gonna be.
It is looking, the color is looking, just watch out. Yo, get ready, see this gloves northeast, on top of me. In 3, in 2, in 1, right on top of me. In this gloves, Okay, clerical, defensive. Yeah, nice.
Now you can walk in and brawl.
They didn't engage, bro.
They engaged.
They just stopped. Okay, guard rune and walk up.
Forget it
Guard
now.
rune and walk
Forget it.
up.
No.
Fine, comes out.
Now you're late.
Bro, just let me call.
Karma
Okay,
ready?
Okay, just stay here. Just stay over here. Okay, these guys have cleric, that's why they're waiting. Northeast, just stay over here. Qs and Ws, try to look at the D tanks. They're gonna again
bomb is
shadow the D
suffered,
tanks,
bro.
okay?
Where are you
They're
in,
gonna
bro?
shadow the D tanks.
Bro, I will
Get
just
ready, they're gonna look now.
just-
Yo, listen. Once he engages, give me a good GA, bro. Okay, GA, get ready on the gate, other than GA. 3, in 2, in 1, on top me, just on top me. It's natural come, just on top me. Yeah, there was a fucking silence. Just spread away. Qs and Ws, see the tanks are extended, bro. Just pull them. Qs and Ws. Qs and Ws. Now watch out, they're gonna look now.
They're gonna
Just stay
engage
over
right
here. Yeah, I know. Just stay away. Qs and Ws and spread. Heal Farisha, please. Spread over here. Just spread. We're gonna do the same thing. Nice GA. We're gonna try it again, okay? You watch out. Yeah. Get ready. Yo.
Walk in.
What the? Yeah, just come in. I'm gonna fake, okay? Don't engage. I'm gonna fake. Keep coming up. This is fake. Just stay here. Get ready. I'm looking west corner on the healer. In 3, in 2, in 1, on top me. Kill this now. Go. Yo, defensive. It's fine. Now spread over.
They're gonna have engage right now.
It's fine. Spread over. Drop Judy. Just spread over. Spread.
They have a bloodletter,
No,
bro.
that's an engage coming.
No.
Yeah, that's an engage. They failed. Get ready. Keep coming south. Get ready on top of me. South on top of me. 3, in 2, in 1, right on top of me. Big clump. More damage, bro. More damage. Use the W's and spread. It's fine. Keep spreading. Spread and fight. Trying to find people who are low. Spread and fight. You get ready on this bomb, bro. There's a bomb. You have to watch out for 3 bomb. Yeah, just spread away. They get ready. They're gonna engage now. Just spread. Defensive. Get ready. Yeah, find the
Draw
healers
the
and crawl.
healer.
Find the healers and crawl. Look at that. That's an engage. That's an engage. That's an engage. Get ready. Right on top of me. Southeast.
Healers low south.
In one on top. You on top. You full party. Full party. More damage, bro. Kill this. Okay, nice. We got one. We got one. Spread, spread, and keep rolling the people who are low. Keep rolling the people who are low. Now watch out. Watch out. They're gonna. You spread. It's fine. It's fine. Just keep spread. Keep spread. No, no, no. Don't brawl. No. Spread, spread, spread away. Spread away. It's fine. Spread away. Spread away. Spread away. Spread away and keep rolling.
And the
Spread away and
healers.
keep rolling. Yeah. Spread away and keep rolling. I'm marking the healers one by one. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. In 5 seconds, I'm gonna engage. Get ready. I'm looking east. In 3, in 2, in 1 on top. Me on top. Me on top. Me on top. We kill this one healer. Kill this one healer.
You
Now
lost
spread
quite
again.
a lot of
Spread again.
DPS.
Spread again. It's fine. Spread again.
Nice,
Spread again.
fine. Not doing shit.
Yo, it's fine. The healer's still low, bro. Healer's still low. Qs and Ws and spread. Qs and Ws and spread. Qs and their caller is looking now. They're gonna caller is looking now. Just spread away. Spread away. Spread away. Spread away. Spread away. Get ready. They're gonna look. Spread, 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 spread. Get ready. I'm gonna look on another healer on top of me. Get ready. Keep coming west. Keep coming west. Keep coming west. Get ready. Looking south on top of me. In 3, in 2, in 1. Full party now. Again. Full party. Big clump. Big clump. Big clump. More damage. More damage. More damage. Kill this one. Kill this one. Now spread away. It's fine. Spread. Spread. Just spread. Just spread. Just spread. Just spread. 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 Nice GA, bro. Nice GA. Just spread away. Just spread away.
After that, take an engage.
It's fine.
Love engage.
It's fine. It's fine. Just spread. Just spread. 8 seconds. I'm gonna engage. Okay. Watch out. Defensive. 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 Get engaged.
Healers
Keep coming.
below.
Yeah. Keep coming. Not. 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 Get ready. I'm looking east on top of me. In 3, in 2, in 1. Full party. Full party. Full party. More damage, bro. Kill this. Kill this. Kill this, bro. Okay. Keep just spread away. Spread away.
Wow, the healers are low. Why
Yeah,
don't you
I know.
target
Keep coming
them?
south. Keep coming southwest. We have to exit. Okay, we have to exit. Keep coming southwest. Keep coming southwest. Defensive. That's fake. That's fake. Keep coming
That's
southwest.
fake.
Keep guard rune on the choke.